Yes, so a very good morning once again. This is Prince. This is Prince. A quick one today. I'm going to pass through the trade settings that you need to do in Ryokyu, and I'm going to give them where every setting is applicable. I'm going to give you only two types of trade settings. For me, those who are on my team and those who have been following me, I always trade buying deep strategy. Yeah, buying deep, but trading buy deep strategy, you can either choose to start small, that is going for first buying amount when it is over $5, and then sometimes there is somewhere where we start big, or you start like $50, 500, depending on your capital. All right, so today I'm going to give you all those scenarios and what is the condition. When do you choose to start small, or when do you choose to start big? So subscribe, guys, subscribe. I told you, how can you watch a video and I have 800 views and I have 500 subscribers? So please, whoever watch the video, endeavor to subscribe so that I can bring more content. Anyway, let's dive into the video.
If you have a smartphone and data, you are not supposed to be broke. You have to learn how you can turn your smartphone into a money-making machine and start making money.
Everyone, let's go very fast into Ryokyu so that we do the thing, trade settings. I told you, Temu, don't steal my baby. I know you don't want to produce, but you want good babies, yeah? Anyway, how is everyone who is watching today? Please subscribe. Should I need? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I bring more content. Whenever you subscribe, I become energetic to bring more content. I don't know which account is this. Should I use? Guys, have you made money? I told you guys we have to change the setups and so on. At least you have to make money every day on a daily basis. You have to make money every day. This is a new account, but it is making money every day with a few dollars. People are having $1,000, $2,000, but you're not making money in Ryokyu. Why? Your entries are poor. Maybe now this account is you see, so I'm having here one coin, some balance here. So trade entries. Now let's go to today's what brought us today. Anyway, first, strategies. I'll go to strategy. I want you guys to develop two strategies in your strategy setting. Those who are using Ryokyu now, the new people, you will not understand this. If you don't know how to set strategy and you keep it in your Ryokyu, check same YouTube videos are there. Just go and scroll up until you reach how to set your strategy in Ryokyu. So they are there. Trade settings, most of them are there. These ones are just recap. I'm just giving in more ingredients. Okay, so we go. We have two trade settings that we can use in the buy deep, in the like, if you want to buy deep using the buying deep strategy. Sorry, something is confusing me, I don't know here. Okay, let's go. Using the buying deep strategy, so you can use two trade settings, but now I'm going to give you two scenarios. Where do we use which setting? And today I'm going to start let me add another trade setting here. So the first one is where you start with small. You start small. Let me say you're having $300, and you say I'll start with $5, or I'll start with, let me say $10. $5 is very small. Let me use $10. I'll start with $10. So when you will divide 300 by 10, meaning you can have like 30 calls, margin calls, and then you keep on giving each call buying with $10. So when do you do that? I'm going to tell you the scenario when you do that. I want these videos to be clear in everything. So let me try to throw more lights on that. Okay, so if you're having 300 and 300, you want to start with $10, so you divide 300 by 10. Okay, you get 30 margin calls. So this, you can use your number of margin calls when they are 30. The drop, you choose what you want. You know, margin call is different from drop. Margin call is different from drop. If you're new in RoyoQ and you don't differentiate between margin call and drop, still check on the same YouTube channel. There is one tutorial showing the difference between margin call and a call drop. How can you differentiate? So you can choose any drop, either 10% or any drop you want to use in the 30 calls. So I think I'm going to use a drop of 15%. So I will divide 30 by 2. 30 is the margin call, then drop 15%. Okay. Then let's go. We do this strategy. Before doing it, I'm going to tell you the scenario where we apply such a strategy. Okay. So let me first use the trade view. After I'm going to show it on RoyoQ. So this is our RSI indicator, guys. Whoever doesn't have RSI indicator right now and you're trading with RoyoQ, I don't know what you're doing. This is a new I'll call it what? NBA. It's a new NBA. It's just a blast new indicator that is introduced on the RoyoQ that has saved us more from floating loss if you know how to use it. So whenever you enter a trade and RSI is above 50, above 60, what you have to put on more margin call. You have to buy in deep. So this, if you want to take a trade, it can get out from here. It can not fall so much and get out, but you are at risk of going in floating loss. So if you enter from here, let me say here, and the trade goes like this is all floating loss. So you have to put a good drop on this one. That's why I've chosen to use 15%. Okay, because it had dropped from 70 and now it's at 20, so that's why I put 15%. So that is a scenario where you put a big drop, and where you use capital. In your capital, you start small with $5 or $10, depending on the trade you want to take. If you're taking a trade whereby in that trade, a trade at which you're taking is above 50 on your RSI indicator, you have to put a big drop and you have to start small with your capital in the market. Okay, I think that one we have got it. Okay, let me also show it to you in RoyoQ. Here, I'll come back. Let me go to RoyoQ. Okay, the coin there I used, I think it's Bonko. Let me use the same here. It's should be here under my favorite, Bonko. But it's one of the coins I trade. Okay, we'll search for it. Bonko. I've written bank. Okay, it is here. So any coin, I'm just saying Bonko, but any coin, if you tap in it and it comes to this page, technical page, you go down to this page. To this area. When you reach this area, you look for technical indicators. Then you click technical indicators. Whenever you see RSI, when it is above 55, you have to start small with little capital and you have to put big drop like 15%. If you're willing to trade that coin, because you know some of you people, you're friendly to some coins. I love this so much, I love this coin so much, so For me, I don't have any. Okay, I have my favorite coin is BNX. I always speak it. My favorite coin is BNX. I don't know why, but when I'm choosing trades, I follow strategy. I don't follow love for coins. All right. So if you find when 55, you have to go deep with margin call, and you have to start small with your capital. Okay, yeah, so that is the scenario when we start small. How do you set it? I'm going to show you how do you start small, then I go to start big. Let me try to rush so that the video doesn't be so big. Okay, so you choose when you choose any coin. I will not go in choosing coin. Let me just go to trade settings, because I want you guys to put your trade settings in your robot, so that you have always your trade settings set ready. When they send a signal, you just tap into your trade settings. Okay, this one we said we are going to use a strategy of $300. $300, the strategy we are going to use. We're starting with $10 as our first buying amount. $10. These ones all you know how to do them. Margin calls, we're going to put 30. I'm not going to edit these ones. These ones you go in trade settings video, you will see. I'm not going to edit so much here. I'm not going to explain what does each mean. If you want to know what does each mean, check trade setting video. What I want to emphasize here is how you can set your margin call configuration. Your margin call configuration, how you can set your margin call configuration is what I want to measure at today. Okay, with start small and then you keep buying in deep. Okay, so already now we have $290 left. $10 has already gone in the market. Then we go to $290. We have to put it here. So this side is where we put our call drop. Our call drop. I said I'm going to use 15%. So 15%, it means if I have 30 margin calls, so half of 30 it is 15%. So if I use 1 up to down, that is 30% drop. So I need 15%. I'll use 0.5. I will use 0.5. I'm not going to fill everything. I want to shrink this video. 0.5. Okay, so 0.5 up to down, I'll have 15 margin calls. But I'll tell you the first, at least if you have a drop which is good, 15, 10, at least the first margin call, 10 margin call, use 0.2. Okay, 0.2, the first 10. All right, the first 10 at least use 0.2, so that at least you get a good capital in the market very fast. 0.2, the first 10. Okay, first 10, 0.2. Now you start with 0.5 from here. 0.5 from here up to the 20th, at least the 20th, up to the 20th. Okay, then the other you've removed from the other side, you can put it here at these ends. You can put either 1 up to down, or because the other one we've set 0.2, meaning we've deducted 3, you can put 0.8. Okay, or you can just leave it 1. That is how we buy in deep and how we maintain how we maintain our call drop. Yeah, so let us set our money. Already we say we buying with $10 at first. It means every call we need to buy with $10. Every call we need to buy with $10. So since it's a multiple buying ratio, $10 has to multiply with whatever which is here. The first buying amount has to multiply with whatever you put here. So if I want to buy with $10 each, I have to put 1 up to down. 1 up to down, meaning I'm buying with $10 every call. Okay, that is the start small. Then you save you save, you save. Okay, you save. Okay, so this is the strategy here. Now when they send a signal, you can easily come and remove your strategy. You put it inside this one, you know how to use it. You put it inside, then you start the trade. Another scenario is this one. I'm going to use this one, which is already inside, but I'm going to explain. Just another scenario. When do we enter a trade? When do we enter a trade? A trade, and you enter with all your capital. You can put 2% drop, you can put 5% drop. This one, you maximize capital when you enter. When, I'm going to give you a scenario. On your trade view, or on your RoyalQ, RSI should be below 30, or like around 40 to below, at least there. You know you're going to get out of the market. It's a conk sure. Okay, let's see some coins which are like that. I had one coin I needed to give here, but I left it. I needed to give in the group, but I left it. I have a group where I give my trades. Where is CVC? Yeah, CVC. This is a good coin. So you see, CVC is in my setup. So right now I can trade CVC. I can trade CVC. Now I can trade CVC. It is 33. So I can trade CVC if I'm having $1,000 and I enter with $500 without fearing or favor, without fearing or shrinking. Okay. Anyway, those who wants to know how we do this setup, so what, you can come to my inbox. You can come to my inbox. But guys, when you come to my inbox, be gentle, man. Someone came to my inbox yesterday when he's like, he wants me to teach. I want you to teach me RoyalQ. What? I'm new. I need to know these things. You people, as if I'm the one who gave him the robot. Be gentle. Let's agree on the terms and conditions if there is one. But be gentle. Okay. Anyway, let me first give this trade with you here today. For the first time, I'm giving trade when I'm doing a tutorial. Yeah, already we have our setups. All these trades here, these ones, all they are out. All of them, they are out. We gave today. So let me give my traders to trade. My downlines, you know RoyalQ. If your downlines work, you're in for it. You also work. So I think we will take 2% because it has dropped properly. For us, we don't take too much. We take small, and the name will change it to CVC. CVC. Okay. So I'll give it out. I'll send it to all our groups. These people who are, if you're watching this video for the first time and you think people are not doing RoyalQ, think twice, guys. People are doing RoyalQ. We have several groups with 200 people and above. All they are doing RoyalQ. Okay, going back to our tutorial. Okay, so now we've seen CVC. I was showing you CVC. It's here. Yeah, CVC. That video is growing big and I don't want it. Okay, CVC, I've said you have to buy low. You have to buy when RSI is in 33. You know me, I use 24 length RSI, meaning if it comes to 33, the 24 length, if it comes, I'm going to show you RoyalQ uses 14. Me, I use 24. If it comes to 33, meaning that coin has really dropped. It means that coin has really dropped. It is a good coin to trade. Okay, now let me show it to you in RoyalQ. Where is RoyalQ? Where are you? Okay. In RoyalQ, how do you see the coin has dropped? I said the coin name is called CVC. Let me first put this one here. It is called CVC. You see, it is in negative 27 right now. This is money. right now. If you're a Roku trader and you don't have a trade, I don't know, but CVC is going to make money. Okay, so you have to come and check here technicals, like how I told you technicals. You see it is negative 27 here. The other one is negative 33. Why is it 33? RSI, this one is 14. My RSI is 24. Length is 24. So hope everybody who is trading will watch this video, because it's really massive. Anyway, okay, so if you see a trade like this, even if you have $300, you can enter with your first buying amount with 200, and you use the 100 and use the 100 to do the buying dip. Okay, let me show you how you can set this trade. So we go back to trade settings. Where's trade settings? Here, my trade settings. I will edit this one because I don't want to darten my thing. I'll edit this one. So this here, I'm going to use, I have 300 again. I'm going to use 200 as first buying amount, $200. I'll put margin call limits 10, only 10, only 10, because the coin is down. I'm going to use a drop of 5. Okay, 10. Then I have now balance capital of 100. I need to put this 100 in 10. So drop of 5. If I divide 5 by 10, I'll have 0.5. Okay, so here I'll put 0.5. It's already in 0.5, 0.5, this side 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 10 times, 0.5, 10 times. Then I'll choose a digit, because now I want to buy with $10 each call. I want to buy with $10 each call. So I have to get a digit that when I multiply it with the 200, I get 10. I have to get a digit that when I multiply it with 200, I get 10. So you go to your calculator. This video is a bit long, but give it time. Give it time. You will understand, because this is what we need to know about Roku. Okay? So when I multiply, I need to get, my cursor is not going, 200 times, let me say 0.1, that is 20. It means I have to come to 0.01, that is 0.05, 05. Okay, so it is 0.05. Okay, you see how you see now I've came up with 10. If you haven't seen, rewatch. Then we go and put 0.05 here, 0.05, 0.05, 0.05, 0.05, 0.05, up to last 0.5, 0.05, up to last. Meaning now we are going to have to be buying with $10, $10. If at all the coin continues to drop like 5%. Okay, so that is all I wanted to show you today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, because I will not share more. Anyway, this is Prince. Ciao.